Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Zubi Tech. In this video, we will learn how to update Redux framework. If you have seen many warnings on your laptop screen about Redux framework, so I will tell you how to fix that issue. This warning can be shown on your login page or anywhere in your dashboard. So let's get started. Log in your FTP account and go to WP Content, Plugin, your theme support plugin. There you can see your Redux framework. Rename that like Redux framework old, or you can change any name you want. Now go to your updated framework. Drag that updated framework and drop it in front of the old framework, like in blank space. The new framework should be shown below the old framework, and it should not be go inside any folder. Keep eyes on the moving screen. FTP connection should not be interrupted or known file should be failed. This procedure usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your network speed or your server speed. So please be patient. Please do not skip the video. If you will see that type of dialog box, simply click the first action, override, and select this checkbox. Always use this action and OK. When the uploading complete, go to your WordPress login page and there simply press Ctrl F5 for cache clear. There you can see all warnings has been removed. It means your Redux framework has been uploaded successfully. Now if you want, you can delete that old Redux framework or you can leave it here. If you will have any query, feel free to contact with the support. We are always there to help you.